What is up? So today I'm headed to a place that's in my neck of the woods, the Farmer's Daughter, located in Easton, Mass. I'm going to be grabbing the Chicken and Waffle Benny, the Smoked Salmon Benny, and also the Chicken and Waffle Sammie. So let's go. Check it out. So this is the Chicken and Waffle Benny. It has chives, cheddar, corn waffle, bacon jam, butter, milk, batter, crispy chicken, and maple, and also a poached egg and chive hollandaise sauce. I'm gonna cut it so I get a little bit of everything. So check it out. So I got a little bit of the chicken, the sauce. Just taste it. So the corn waffle is nice and flaky, really bouncy. The egg is nicely poached. The chicken is nice and moist. It's almost like a tender. Did I get some of this bacon jam? Bacon jam is really good. Everything is perfectly done. Check it out. Nice and pretty. This is the smoked salmon Benny with the challah bread, sweet tomato jam, poached egg, chives, hollandaise sauce. So let me just cut a piece of the yolk. Ooh, it's nice and crunchy. Oh, look at that yolk break. Get a little bit of the salmon. Ooh, nice and doughy. Check it out. Challah bread is really sweet, nice and crunchy. Reminds me of like cornbread, but not as dry. The yolk covering is really nice. Check it out. Smoked salmon is like a good compliment to it. Look at this. What's this over here? Oh, I didn't get some of the jam. Right here. Tomato jam. Tomato jam is a lot sweeter than I thought it would be, but good. You know, nice and doughy. Really good. The salmon is nice. It's smoky. So this is the Chicken and Waffle Sammie. It has butter, milk, braised, crispy chicken, local maple, slab of bacon, spicy aioli, watercress, chives, cheddar, and on a corn waffle. Look how massive this is. I see the chives, I see the spicy aioli, the big piece of crispy chicken, the bacon. Look at that. I guess I'll just take a bite like this. So everything just goes together with the spicy aioli, the sweet waffle, with the crispy chicken, nice and moist, pretty big. The bacon is really good. It's really messy, but definitely like having a chicken and waffles for a sandwich. check it out. So the waffle is nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. The bacon is nice and thick, probably Canadian bacon. Chicken is nice and moist. Spicy aioli hits the point. It's really good. So that is a wrap for this video. The Farmer's Daughter is definitely a place that I enjoy going to. The Chicken and Waffle Benny and the Chicken and Waffle Sammie both had crispy, moist chicken. The waffle was a perfect texture. All the ingredients were fresh and went well together. The Salmon Benedict had a really smoky salmon taste. The egg was perfectly poached. All the ingredients just went well together too. The textures was perfect. So if you're in North Easton, Massachusetts, stop by the Farmer's Daughter. So I'll see you guys next time.